Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, I got another one of Bette's box blessings. These things are really great whether you're blessing yourself or you're blessing someone else. And we're going to talk about this box in just a minute. But not only did I get one, they sent two more. These are for our gathering on March 11th here in Wiggins, Mississippi. We'll be giving away those two boxes. I'm not going to tell you what's in them. I'm just going to give them to you on our gathering. It's a giant meet and greet for anybody that wants to come March 11th, Stone County Fairgrounds here in Wiggins, Mississippi. So if you're interested, get with us. We have a Facebook page called Deep South Homestead Spring Gathering. This box, Bette's Box of Blessings, comes every month. You can order one as a gift and send to a friend or to yourself one time, or you can order a subscription and it'll come every month. You always get more than what the price of the box is. I've already looked at this box a little. I've not taken things out, but I've glanced at the paperwork. You always get a writing that tells you what it's about, and there's always a Bible verse. This time, the Bible verse is John 15:13, where Jesus is talking to his disciples, and he's basically telling them that there's no greater love than someone has than to lay down their life for someone else. And I know I'm paraphrasing, okay? But you get the gist of it. So this box is all about friendship. Sometimes there's just something that goes on in people's lives. Everybody has their ups and their downs. But when someone gets the news that they have a illness that is like cancer or something else that is going to devastate them for a while and they have to go through a lot of treatments, or if someone has lost a loved one, we always tend to either shy away from them or say, if there's anything I can do, just let me know. You know, that's our standard go-tos because we don't know what to say. This box is about friendship. It has in it a book called Just Show Up by Kara Tippett, and I think Jill Lynn Boutin, B-U-T-E-Y-N. Okay, in this book, Just Show Up, it's talking about these two women, their friendship through one of them's battle with cancer. Just showing up, one of them just showing up and helping her with laundry, just, you know, just keeping her going, motivated, in other words. And sometimes this is something that I feel is very hard for me to do because of where I live and limited resources, that I can't just, friends of mine just show up and say, hey, look, what do you need help with? So my way of just showing up is to send them some of this, and always prayer. Prayer is so important. A lot of people just say, I'm going to pray, and they don't. But prayer is very important. Please remember to pray for your friends. So this book will give me an idea on just showing up, even if I can't physically show up. Another item in here is a calendar. This calendar calls Never Unfriended. I've got a special lady I'm going to send this to because she is going through a tough time. She and her husband both. And Nikki was diagnosed with stomach cancer since Christmas. And she's going through treatments, and last weekend, her husband was in a wreck. Now he is in a halo and brace for his neck and back. So these two are young people. They're early 30s, late 20s, early 30s. They're young. So I'm sending my calendar to Nikki because this thing, I'm just going to flip April 29th. Relationships take work and they'll slowly die off with, like most of the plants under my care, if I don't tend to them and water them with regular time, conversations, and interest. So that's like plants. You've got to take care of them. Friendships, you need to take care of. And this, I'm sending to Nikki because she's never unfriended. She has many, many friends, and we want her to know that we care about her every day. All right, these are sticky notes. There's 3 different kinds in here, in this. And you can use them to send to people if you write a lot. You can stick these notes in your letters and send to them. You can stick them around in the house if you have people that you want to just daily remind of things. And one says hope, praying for, and you write down what you're praying for. Another one just says praying for, and this one says praying for and strength. So these are sticky notes to use as encouragements when you see somebody needs encouragement. These are greeting cards. It's a variety of greeting cards from Dayspring. And I might say the sticky notes are from Dayspring also. Dayspring is awesome, awesome card company, and they make some great stuff for encouragement. But these are an assortment of cards for all occasions so that you can just send a quick little encouragement to people. And I have many, many people that I know of that I'd love to be able to send cards, because there are so many people that need that little inch of encouragement. And I hope that's what I do with my channel, is encourage you through videos to keep moving forward. Just that little push to keep going each day and make it through one day at a time. But here we have greeting cards from Dayspring. And as always, we have a CD. This one's called Battles. Battles by Rita Springer. One is called Every Battle. One is called I Believe in You, Never Lost, Defender, Our God is With Us, There is No Striving, You Remain the Same, You Have Control, Carry Me, I'm Okay, and You Never Change. And this is going to be another thing that I'm sending to Nikki. Nikki loves music, and she and Fred both love to hear good music. So I'm sending Nikki the calendar and the CD from my box. And we were praying for Nikki and Fred, and that they can make it through this illness with all of their friends praying for them. And I want to thank Bette's Box of Blessings for sending us not only my box, which I am going to share with Nikki and Fred, but also 2 boxes to give away at our Deep South Homestead Spring Gathering. So thank you guys from Crazy Days.